Kwaze kwamnandi emhlabeni izinja ziyasibamba. Awusukhali kancane, man, hamba, hamba, mawungasiyeki. Hamba, hamba, mawungasiyeki. Kwaze kwamnandi emhlabeni izinja ziyasibamba. Awusukhali kancane, man, hamba, hamba, mawungasiyeki. Hamba, hamba, mawungasiyeki. Hamba, mawungasiyeki. Thokozani, 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 thokozani. Inimona niziphakile ningene ngwenyameni. Thokozani, thokozani, thokozani. Lapha enyokeni mithi namabodwe niyithwalile. Izikuni those nazo ziphakile. Awe kuyafana ningizimu. Uma isizwe sidimene ngenhlonipho. Umjolo phezulu kufanele siyingoke inhlanhla phezulu. Siphumelele izweni laphezulu. Uphile phakathi ethokozini ephezulu. Kufanele sihlale singcwele ngenhlonipho. Singcwele umjolo wethu ngenhlonipho. Singcwele umjolo wethu ngenhlonipho. Singcwele umjolo wethu ngenhlonipho. Thokozani, 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 thokozani. Shabula kakhulu izolo, shabulile izolo, yebo. Shabula kakhulu izolo, shabulile izolo, yebo. Shabula kakhulu izolo, shabulile izolo, yebo. Shabula kakhulu izolo, 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 izolo.
Hello, good morning. I hope you are doing well wherever you are watching from this wonderful morning. Hopefully this, wherever I find you well, guys. I hope you are doing well wherever you are. So it's yet another day, the day that the Lord has made. We are jumping into the financial markets this wonderful morning, and we are live on TikTok. We are also live on YouTube this wonderful morning. So our YouTube channel, those that are within TikTok, this is our YouTube username right there. Shift at BFI TV live. Right. Provided you want to join us on YouTube, this is our YouTube username. Kindly jump in there and let's get it going. Right. You're going to be able to see the screen on a clearer view than this one here, because this is small, right? So you want to jump in quick there and be part of the YouTube family. Do not worry. If you get there, please make sure you drop a subscription button. Leave a subscription button there. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Grow us as we grow you. Literally, this is for educational purposes. You want to learn something that you have never learned. You want to be educated. You want to be informed. Very well. Good morning, Erin. Hope you are well. I'm joining from Port Pietermaritzburg, KZN. Nice, beautiful. I'm streaming from Port Elizabeth myself. this hour. Right, before anything else, we all know we usually do the word of the day. So I'm going to quickly take you to today's message. As soon as we reach today's message, I believe that you shall be blessed there. Are you ready? Are you prepared to hear the word of the day today? Wherever you are watching from, I want you to sit back, relax, and do not stress about anything. God is with us. Right now, we're just going to jump in quick into the word of the day, and then we take it from there. Right. Word of the day is just 5 minutes or so. 5 minutes, then we are back into today's business. Right. Stay tuned. I will be with you in a few minutes.
The ability to be strong even when everything else is gone is what you need. You want to be strong enough that even if you pursue cars, you pursue houses, you pursue marriage, you pursue this, when everything is gone, you remain strong. I look at Job. Job lost everything. You can go to the book of Job chapter 1, read the story of Job. You know how much Job lost, but Job did not lose himself. Loss of strength was never found in Job. Job remained strong. I mean, a man who loses everything that he had and he still says, naked I came and naked I shall go. What does this mean? It means in whatever that you do, I think you should not attach yourself to anything that you see outside. Don't attach yourself to money. Don't attach yourself to people. Don't attach yourself to anything, because anything that is outside of you is in the hands of Satan. That's what God said to Satan. He said, Satan, behold, everything that Job has is in your hands. That means even the wife of Job was in the hands of Satan. The family of Job was in the hands of Satan. But God then warned Satan and said, in the life of this man, don't touch it. So I think myself, you need the strength that is beyond humanity. You need the strength of the Almighty himself, because your own strength can cause you to do otherwise. Your own strength can cause you to even elapse. I think even the drug addicts today, if you check them very well, those are addicted to alcohol, drugs, and many kind of things, just trying to entertain themselves. You would observe these people that they once had it all. These are people who once had it all figured out. They had everything, but all of a sudden everything elapsed, collapsed, and they lost it all. And all they can do is just for them to be drunk, for them to be drug addicts. So sometimes when people go through a lot, I want you to dig deeper, look beyond their actions and see where they are coming from. But nevertheless, you yourself, as much as you want that house, as much as you want that wife, that husband, as much as you want that everything that you are looking for right now, do you have the strength that when you lose those things, you don't lose yourself? Do you have the strength that when those things vanish, you won't vanish? Do you have the strength that when those things go, you won't lose your mind? I mean, that's where insanity comes in. That's where being mad can come in. I mean, if you once had $1 million, you bought everything you needed, all of a sudden you can't even have $1, $1. How do you respond to that? Then determines the kind of strength you have. So as much as we pursue what we are pursuing, let's also pursue the strength that even if we lose these things, we do not lose ourselves. Even if we lose the people that we love so much, we don't lose ourselves. Even if we lose the things that we so much hold dear, we do not lose ourselves. The ability to be strong even when everything else is gone is what you need.
Right. The ability to be strong when everything is gone is what you need. That's what we call strength that you should be praying for. As much as you are praying for success, breakthroughs, and everything, pray for strength. Then that when the day of evil comes, you are able to stand, because it comes unexpected. The day of evil comes unexpected, unplanned. You might find yourself in things that you never thought you are going to find yourself in. You might find yourself in circumstances that you never premeditated to see them. Nobody plans for trouble. Nobody plans for failure. But you find yourself suddenly in those circumstances. Those circumstances are calling for strength. They are not calling for quitting. They are not calling for giving up. They are only calling for strength. You want to be strong beyond reasonable doubt. Let me put it that way. You want to be strong beyond reasonable doubt in order for you to conquer. Right. Somebody says TikTok is better than YouTube. All right. But then there is a problem with TikTok. TikTok may even ban my account the more I stream about trading. That's what you want to understand there as well. Right, so TikTok is not as reliable as any other platform when it comes to trading issues. They are very, very strict on that. So we want to be very careful with that as well. As much as you would love TikTok, but TikTok, we just have to reduce live streams because of restrictions. At the end of the day, we are restricted to talk about the charts, and we can't even display the chart as on TikTok Studio. The account will be banned and deleted quickly. Right, imagine losing 47,000 followers over trading chart. Think about that. There are people who are following me not because of trading alone. There are many who are following us from different aspects of life. It's not about trading always. To some, I am their mentor, I'm their prophet. I pray for them, counsel them, and assist them in those areas. So, right. Okay. Let's get into it today, guys. This is the day that I am here to tell you today is not a trading day. Right before then, let's give W's for this trade here. Is this not a W? Give W's for that US30 trade. Round 1 W, round 2 W. Give those W's. Give those W's, guys. Give those W's. Give those W's, give those W's, 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 give those W's, give those W's. W's on the chart, W's on the chart, give those W's, W's on the chart, W's on the chart. Let them run, roll those W's, guys. W for US30 trades yesterday, W's everywhere, W's, W's, W's. Right, thank you for running those W's, guys. Much appreciated. You are highly appreciated. Beautiful stuff, beautiful trade, no stress, nothing at all. Straight into the point, straight into take profit. That was a very beautiful push, guys. Very beautiful push. Let's get into today's market and see what the market has for us today. No stress, nothing to worry about. Okay, guys, today is a no trading day for us at BFI. Why? Because the data is speaking a language that is not worth pursuing today. We have a very limited data. We have a very small data. And according to us, we cannot pursue a data like this one. I hope this makes sense. Right, so we cannot pursue a data that is like this one. You want to understand that we can't trade today's markets. Nevertheless, I'm just going to analyze these markets and show you why I am not taking these trades at all. Right, we saw the market pushing up very well, reaching our TP yesterday, and then started to decline back into the CV, which is our value of the day yesterday. So currently the market, want to understand one thing, the market is sitting back into our valued area, which is our previous closing value. Right, so the market is currently sitting at that value. Once you understand this factor, you are going to not stress much about it at all. And then the prediction of the market today is a bit bearish, but small. The market closed bearish on a very small points. I think I'm not sure if it's how many points. Let me check. It should be less than, let me check here on our group. Let's see. We have almost 34 points, and then NASDAQ, we have got 10 points downward. So we cannot pursue these trades. For us, they are not worth pursuing. I hope this makes sense. Right. So it's not worth pursuing. So the market is literally 34 points downward, and we can't really pursue this trade. Now we have a meta here. The market, the resistance of the day is a bit far away there, which is 48,220.54. Remember, me and you, we are trading data, so our education is strictly based on the data. So our strategy, if the data is not enough, then we do not pursue those trades. We just let it be for the day. It's a no trading day for me today at all. I'm not going to sell, I'm not going to buy at all, right? If we are to look into this market, the resistance is sitting at 48,220, and then the support is sitting at 4744.7. Our previous close is still within yesterday's value, and then today's value again is 47,706, and then the open price is 47,777. So the market is literally showing signs of today's consolidation. Market might literally play around here the whole day, right? Maybe during New York opening, the market then will decide either to push up or to push down. So these are the scenarios where we do not want to guess, right? Because what pulls us into a direction is the net change and the current value on our side. So if the net change is leaky, so then we cannot pursue that kind of a trade like that. So if the market decides to go up, we leave it. If the market decides to go down, then we also leave it. So at this particular moment, there is no trade for us at all. Nevertheless, if the market pushes all the way upward to 48,220.54 there, then we can start to look for sales directing back into that value as well. Market may go up and still come down as well. So if there is CPI today, we're just going to see how the market is going to react to that news release, right? So I would love to see, if I'm to look for sales, I would love to see the market pushing up all the way to the high of the day, and then I can look for sales in that area. If I'm to look for buys, I want to see the market pushing all the way to the low of the day, and then I start to look for buys from there. I cannot take a trade invalid at all on my side. Right. If the market goes up, then I will confidently sell. But if the market fulfills the sell TP here, then buys are likely going to play out. Nevertheless, I am not taking any trade in these kind of scenarios. Even CPI itself, I'm not going to trade it today because of the setup that I'm seeing in front of me. Then that means, so I'm running two mics. Sorry, my brother. Sorry. But you can hear me, ne? Sorry, I just noticed that there are two mics. Sorry about that. So basically that's, and then, hey man, this one is too high. All right, sorry. Okay, so basically that's the thing here. So there's no market execution on my side. I'm not going to take any trade at all. This US30. CPI, no trade for me as well. But if the market before CPI pushes all the way up, then I will sell. If the market before CPI pushes downward, then I will buy. Hope this makes sense. I'm not going to take a guessing trade right there. Market is likely going to buy or sell at that particular moment, right? You are same situation with NASDAQ. Same situation at NASDAQ. Unfortunately, NASDAQ did not really reach our TP yesterday. Like I told you that I'm closing these sales. Again, this is a W because decision taken yesterday is what really transpired, right? So you want to roll those Ws for this NASDAQ as well. This was a very, very beautiful decision taken with precision and experience. I said I'm not going to continue pursuing these sales. I'm closing them, closed them in profits, and then boom, I said this market is going to flip back up. It flipped all the way back up, and I said I'm not even taking this buy. Why? Because I knew this market might not even reach the TP, so it was not worth taking. That's experience there. Please drop those Ws for me. I beg. Drop those Ws for me, right? And then we are still looking at the same situation, which is on our side, the sideways market as well. Thank you, RT. Thank you, Slay. And thank you, Masichaba. Thank you, Keith, and God bless you all. Right, looking at NASDAQ is same situation. I think if I have analyzed the US30 the same way I analyzed the US30 is the same way I would analyze NASDAQ. Same situation. Market went back to yesterday's value, is sitting there. Institutions are resizing their positions. They are getting ready to take off. The question is, where are we taking off to? But then the prediction is saying we are taking off to 24,945 according to today's market data. Then there is nothing else we are going to do from here. Anything that we do here is literally going to be purely guesswork, right? Now, looking at this market, same situation is likely going to happen. The market is likely going to push all the way to the high or the market is likely going to push all the way to the low of the day. So in this kind of a situation, it's a no-go area for me. Remember, I don't trade patterns. I don't trade candlestick patterns. I trade the data. So if the data is telling me that it's too liquid to trade today, then I am not going to take that trade at all. Now, looking at this market, same situation, I would sell if the market goes all the way upward there. But there's a bit of skepticism in this NASDAQ, because the TP of yesterday did not arrive. So the market might even push all the way to 25,291 there and then decline from there. Other than that, the market still can break the low because of the previous closing price of the 10th. You see, this previous closing price, the market did not reach this area yesterday. So there's a high possibility or probability that the market may literally go all the way down today. So there's that scenario. The market may break the high, go to the TP. The market may break the low, go to today's previous closing price there. No trade for me today. I'm not going to guess it, because I would have loved to see the data stretching the TP away from the value of yesterday, right? That's when I can take that and pursue that. I always pursue data when there is a bit of length. Now there's no length in this kind of a situation. It is telling me invalid trading day setup. If I'm to trade, at least to fulfill the criteria within the prop firms that I use, some of them, they want me to trade and open a trade in a day, then I can scalp. Scalping then is entirely my description. I can take this sales target, the sell TP, then I call it a day. I've made my $150 that is required by the prop firm. So entirely today, it's a small trading kind of a thing, and it's not worth it pursuing or running after today. So we're going to see how the market is going to be like. In this kind of a scenario, I am either going to decide, let's vote right now, should we stream the CPI or not? Let's vote right now. Stream CPI or not? Stream CPI or not? Should we stream CPI, stream or not? Right, there is a starting poll right there. You can ask, you can vote for that if you want. And then if the number is yes, then we're going to jump in and stream it. And then we will decide during that stream what we are doing on our side. And then maybe you yourself, you will see what to do. Right. Krugman, what do you mean you trade data? Yeah, that's where the issue is. You want to go to Yahoo Finance, you want to go to Bloomberg and understand. Financial institutes don't report the candlesticks, they report the data. So that data that is being reported there is the one that I use to pursue the market. And the market literally tells me where it is going, just like this one. You see, Monday sells TP was hit, and then buys previous close was hit. These are data-driven markets, not candlestick pattern-driven market. I hope this makes sense. So if you are still trading candlesticks, then you are okay, but you still want to go deeper in trading, because there is data that is driving this market. You cannot neglect the price that you are seeing here being displayed here. It means a lot. Ask yourself, my brother, if you are trading and you are only following the candlestick pattern as a strategy, what about a person who is using these charts such as line, bars, volume candlestick, step lines, and the line chart and all this? There's another one that I love the most, the one who is trading using columns. How does this person trade? Which means this person is relying entirely on the data, right? It's not that the candlestick pattern are the only thing that are talking about the trades alone. One would say it's fundamental. No, it's not fundamental. It's not fundamental analysis, bro. This is data. Mathematics. 1 + 1 = 2. It's mathematics. Right? I hope this makes sense. Right. Thank you. So basically, that's how I trade these indices, because I use that data reported and then I analyze it and add my additions and then plus minus. Then I know the direction of the day. Today's direction is sell, but it's too small. And then yesterday's direction was buy. It went very, very well, right? Same situation. We analyzed the data. Sales were CV, sell TP was hit. And then we took buys all the way to the previous closing price. Boom, that TP was also hit there. This is how data-driven markets move. I hope this makes sense. Don't neglect those things, right? Try jumping into gold. Guys, I haven't really taken any setup on gold because of the sideways market. What gold did to me here was the gold took me out on this setup because I was looking for that upper side. Took me out and then began to be sideways. Even now, you can still see that this market is still very much sideways. If we are to analyze this thing very well, let's do it this way. I can show you that after taking me out, this thing just became to be sideways, sideways, sideways. You can see there that this thing is still very much sideways. So there's no trade for me valid at this particular moment. I can't take a trade at the moment. My buy setup didn't play out. That's taking time, you know. So if I take it again there, it might literally go back down again. So that's a sideways market at the moment. I cannot afford to risk it at all. So no trade on US30, no trade on NASDAQ, no trade on gold. Hope this makes sense, guys. Thank you so much. Please, if you're on TikTok, kindly, please, I beg, drop me a subscription on YouTube. I want 1,000 subscribers only. Then I will remove my mask. You see, let me show you. I'm wearing a mask right now. I'm currently campaigning right now, guys. I'm currently campaigning. You see this? This is me on a mask. If I reach 1,000 subscribers on TikTok, I am going to remove this mask. Help me to breathe. You understand? All right, so no problem. So thank you so much. What time do I stream? 8:30 a.m. Central Africa time, and then 3:15 Central Africa time in the PMs, right? London and New York session, right? London opens at 10, but I have already started to change my program so that I do not miss anything. And I think the earlier the better, because we want to know the direction of the day per market, right? So no trades for today, invalid, right? All the setups invalid. We're just gonna sit on our hands and watch. Thank you so much for that subscription, Lazaro. I appreciate you, my friend. Thank you for dropping that subscription there. Turn on the notification button. We are likely going to continue live there. Listen, TikTok can ban us anytime if we continue streaming like that. So we want to always have a safer environment, which is YouTube. YouTube is very much safer. But TikTok, anytime soon, you hear a warning that your account has been blocked, blah, 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 and they delete accounts, they don't play. You understand? So you want to understand that factor. The reason why I'm so very much skeptical about always being live on TikTok. I hope this makes sense. So head to YouTube right now and click BFI TV live as a username, and then subscribe to that YouTube channel there. Currently growing slowly. Let's see how many subscribers we have right now so that we can reach 1,000. 1,000 is enough. But please do not subscribe if you are not an individual who is interested in trading. We want to see a community that is engaging. We can't afford to have 1,000 subscribers and you are not even there to show up. You understand? We want to see you engaging. We want to see you also being educated. And some of you guys are very good in trading. You want to also share your knowledge as well, right? So there we go. 800 and currently at 823 subscribers. We are growing very well. We started in February. We are coming up very well. Look at that. Look at that chart. Very well. We are not declining as of yet. We are still growing. Thank you so much for your support, guys. Drop another subscription there. Don't subscribe with 2 emails. Just use 1 email. Just be authentic. Thank you. Much appreciated, guys. Much appreciated. So the more you subscribe, the more we grow as well. Don't forget that, right? Thank you so much. Much appreciated. So let's go and reach that trading goal on our side and educate ourselves, you know, every day and so forth. I'm trying to build a team now. If you are within Port Elizabeth and would want to be my co-host in trading, come, let's do this thing. Let's get it going together. All right, much appreciated, guys. I do not think we should be here sitting since we do not have a trading day today. So Ed, open chat for the first time today. What the heck is this crap? All right, guys. So there is no trading day Did we vote for CPI? Let's see. 97 says yes, 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 yes. So 33 votes. It's a win for yes. So we're going to be live during CPI time. We usually go live 10 minutes before CPI. What time is CPI? Is it 3:30, guys, or 2:30? 3:30, right? No, it can't be 3:30. It should be 2:30. What time is it? Let me check. What time is CPI? 2:30. Yeah, there we go. Forex factor what? There we go. 2:30 p.m. Central Africa time, right? So in that case, which means we go live early. We go live early, 10 minutes before the release, right? So 2:30, what time do we go live? We go live at 2:20. So Central Africa time, we are live on YouTube. 2:20. We're also going to be live on TikTok, same time, CPI. So Mo, if you can, my brother, maybe you can do a graphic design for me, CPI, trade CPI live with Bonang, and then you check that time at 20:22 Central Africa time. You use the username of YouTube and use also the username of TikTok as well. Right. Thank you so much, guys, and much appreciated for your contribution in this. Today is a no-go area in the markets until CPI release. We will then decide from there. How are you, Benjamin? Hope you are well. Right. Thank you, guys. See you at 20:22 Central Africa time. See you at the office of CPI, is it? Let me know more if you're going to do that, or I talk to somebody else to assist quickly. Thank you. Bye-bye. We'll meet later.
I'm not sure.